Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is Irish, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Ito si Irish. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button para sa mga bagong videos. And let's get started. So, we will be doing a makeup tutorial na simple lang at saka madali, mabilisan lang. So let's start by using this one, Wonderpur toner ito. So this is my current toner. Ano lang siya, you just press this one. Yan. So lagi tayong mag-start with a clean face. So, nagsimula na ako. I'm already done with my foundation. So, mag-start tayo from concealer. So, gagamitin ko itong Age Rewind from Maybelline. So, ginamit ko na yung aking foundation. So, naka-foundation na ako. Magko-conceal na lang tayo ngayon. Gagamit tayo ng buffing brush. And itong brush. Yung ginamit ko nga pala na foundation is itong matte and poreless ng Maybelline. Okay. And then, isiset natin ang ating makeup using this Fav. Yan. Brush. Para iset natin yung ating mga powder. Iset natin yung ating foundation. So, yan. Tapos, gagamitin natin itong Nichido. Sisimplehan lang natin yung ating kilay. Sundan na lang ninyo yung kilay ninyo. Yung natural na kilay. Walang arc. Ayan natin guys, tapos na yung ating kilay. And then, yung susunod is yung ating eyes. So, ang palette na gagamitin natin for this look is the Maybelline Nudes New York. Ito. And, ang gagamitin natin na ating base. So, ilalagay natin ito all over our lids. Para mas madulas yung paglagay natin ng mas madali yung blending pag meron siyang base. Yan. Kasi ilalagay lang natin siya dito. So, ang gagamitin natin is this one. Para itong mixture ng bronze and brown. And satin siya, may satin siya, medyo meron siyang glitters. And ilalagay lang natin siya dito sa inner corner ng ating eyes. Actually, lalagyan din natin dito kasi lang makakaburan kasi siya. So, yan. Actually, ganyan lang siya. Yan lang ang ilalagay natin and then i-blend lang natin siya para parang nag-fade siya sa taas. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Yan lang ang gagamitin natin na color, diba? Simple lang. It's very simple. And then, oh my gosh, kalimutan ko. We have to put this also on our lower lash line. So, lagyan natin yung lower lash line natin ng same color. Yan siya. And then, after that, gagamitin natin itong Careline Graph Ink Liner, waterproof. So, ito yung actually yung parang nagpa-drama sa look na ito. Now, medyo malaki yung wings niya at saka bold yung pagkaano ng eyes niya. So, lalakihan lang natin yung ating cat eye. Yan siya guys. So, ang nagpa-dramatic lang naman yung sa look na ito is yung eyeliner. So, ganyan siya. And then, let's do it on the other eye. Then, i-contour natin yung ating face. Gagamitin natin ito. Dito. And, gagamitin natin yung ating blush. This one. So, ito lang yung mascara na meron ako dito. This is the Careline Go Long. This one. And then lastly, yung pinaka-close na color na nakita ko na meron ako na lipstick, nag-iisip ako kung saan dito sa dalawa, and parang itong high heels yung pinaka-close doon sa lipstick niya. So, itong high heels in number 3 ang gagamitin natin. So, yep. So, aayusin ko lang yung ito, and then I'll get back to you guys.
I am drowning in worry this very December. I don't want this to play. The end of the road, we got a long way to go. Just trusting God, have some hope. In the days I am. Don't worry, I'll be there for you. Crying, struggling to remember. How it was when my heart left.